This is a video to help you subtract mixed numbers. So the first problem we have here is 5 minus 2 3/4. So what I'm going to do is use pictures to help me. So I see I start with 5, so I'm going to start with 5 whole pies. They could also be pans of brownies if you wanted. I don't mind doing circles this time because I see I'm going to be dividing by fours. Okay. These were all full, right? The entire pie was there for all 5. So now I'm going to get rid of some. I'm getting rid of 2 completely. And then this last one, I'm going to get rid of 3/4. So I cut it into fourths. I get rid of 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Now, blue is what we started with, so we want to count what's left for blue. So I see 1, 2 whole ones. And then the fraction that's still blue here is 1 out of 4. So 5 minus 2 3/4 equals 2 1/4. Try another one you just watched. I'm starting with 6. This time, because I see fifths coming, I'm going to make them rectangles. There's 3, 4, 5, 6. Shade them in just kind of fast because they're whole pizzas or cakes or whatever you want them to be. Alright, now I'm going to get rid of 3 2/5. So this one's totally gone. Someone ate it. This one's totally gone. Someone ate it. This one's totally gone. Someone ate it. And this one has to be cut into fifths. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives me 1, 2, 3, 4 fifths. And then I'm going to get rid of this piece here at the end. And this piece here. And now I count how much is left. I have 1, 2 whole ones. And this has 1, 2, 3 shaded out of 5. Here's a couple for you to try out. Stop the video when you try it. Start with 3. Could be circles, could be rectangles. They're all there. I'm getting rid of 1. He's totally gone. I'm cutting this one into eighths. And then I'm going to get rid of 3 of the eighths. So this one's now gone. This one's gone. And this one's gone. So now when I go to count, I have 1 whole one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eighths. Stop the video when you try it. This time we got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to get rid of 5 1/3. Supposed to get rid of the 5 on top. Cut one of these into thirds. And shade in 1/3 of it blue. And now I want to count the red parts. I got 1, 2, 3 whole reds. This one's got 2 out of 3 reds. So 9 minus 5 1/3 equals 3 2/3. Another one for you to try out real fast. I'm going to start with 8. And I probably should have started with rectangles because now when I look at it, I see I'm going to be cutting into fifths, which is not pretty. But for what we're doing, they won't have to be exactly equal. So there's my 8. Get rid of 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 completely gone. Cut this one into fifths. There's 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4, 5 pieces. And get rid of 4 of them. So now what's left? I have 1 whole one right here, and this one just has, well, I think I did 5 pieces there. I did. Let me back up a step or 2 here. There we go. Shaded in 4, 1 left. There we go. 1 whole one and 1/5. I'm going to do a couple for you. This was a little bit different because you notice I'm starting with the mixed number in the front. So I'm going to start with 5 whole ones. So I got my 5 whole ones. They're all red, all shaded in, and then I have 3/4 of one that's also red. And I'm just going to leave this other part white for right now. So then I need to get rid of 2 whole ones. That one's gone, that one's gone, and get rid of 1/4 of one. So there's the 1/4 that is now gone, or you can put an X on it. And now I count, I have 1, 2, 3 holes. And this one, the part that is still red, is 2 out of 4. So 3 and 2/4. Watch another one real fast. I'm going to have 9 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shade them in. And then I need one that's 4/5 of one. Why do I want to keep shading in 5/5 today? I don't know. 9 and 4/5. Okay, I need to get rid of 6. So I'm getting rid of the bottom 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 2/5 of one. That one is now gone, and that one is gone. So now I look, right here I have 1, 2, 3 whole ones. Here I have 1, 2 out of 5, 3 and 2/5. Here's a couple for you to try out. Stop the video when you try it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 whole ones. And 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6. And I need to subtract. I'm getting rid of 2 whole ones and 1/6 of one. So I have 2 holes left, and 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 6, 2 and 4/6. Another one for you to try out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whole ones. And 2/3 of one. And I need to get rid of 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 whole ones. And get rid of the 1/3 right there. So I have 3 whole ones left. And the whole part that's blue is 1 out of 3. 3 and 1/3. Okay. It's going to change just a little bit on this kind, because this would almost be a regrouping problem. So I'm starting with my 5. 5 whole ones. This one's going to be 1/4 shaded. And now I need to get rid of 2 and 3/4. So I'm getting rid of these 2. So I got rid of 2 whole ones. I need to get rid of 3/4 more. Problem is, if I come over here, I only have 1/4 of that to get rid of. So I'm going to have to take this whole pie right here, cut it into fourths, because I only got rid of 1/4. I need to get rid of 2 more fourths. So there's 1, 2, 3/4 in all. And now count what's left. So I have 2 whole ones. The part that's red here is 2/4. Or if you wanted to say 2 1/2, I would also take that. Let's try another one. Just watch first. So I'm going to have 8 whole ones. And I'm going to have 1/8 of one. And the thing is, all of these are really cut in eighths, but I'm not showing them all into eighths right now because we're not worried about all of them. Then I need to get rid of 2 and 5/8. So I can get rid of 1/8 here, which means I still need to get rid of 4 more eighths. So I'm going to cut this one in eighths. Let's go. Get rid of 1, 2, 3, 4. And now count what's left. I have 3 whole ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 4/8, which is the same as 3 1/2. Stop the video when you try it. This one may work better with rectangles. 6 whole ones and 1/5 of one. And now I need to take away 3 3/5. So it goes to the bottom 3. And I need to get rid of 3/5. Well, there's only 1/5 there, so I need this one also cut into fifths. And now I can get rid of a 5th on the end. That's 2/5, 3/5 in all. Count my whole ones. I have 2 holes and 1, 2, 3/5 left there. Last one. Stop the video when you try it. So I got 4 whole ones and 3/5 of one. 2, 3. And then I need to get rid of 2 whole ones. And I need to get rid of 4/5. So there's 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. I need to get rid of 1 more 5th. So right there at the end, I'm getting rid of that 5th. Maybe I'll shade it this way. It may be easier to see. So I only have 1 whole one left right here. And 1, 2, 3, 4/5. Stop the video, and you can get the worksheet for this one.